Okay, so in Windows 11 22 H2, they removed this PC panel from the sidebar, which is really annoying because how do you see devices that are connected? Sure, when you plug devices in, that they show up at the side, but what about going to like a disk drive, like a CD drive, um, or your like just C drive maybe? Um, you can't do that anymore. It's like really slimmed down. You've literally just got these 4 shortcuts. The infrastructure for the PC menu is still here, but it's just not enabled. And Microsoft does this by default now when you update. So to get it back, you have to click on these 3 dots, click on the Options button. It'll pop up with the folder options, change where it says Open File Explorer 2, change that to this PC, then go to the View tab, scroll right down to the bottom and check Show This PC. Then click OK, and then just close and reopen the Explorer window. And as you can see, it'll open this PC. You can uncheck Home and just go like this. And then you've got all your shortcuts here, and you can see the devices and drives that have been connected to your computer, just like that, just like you used to. So yeah, that's how you do it. Thanks for watching.